Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. Features also include remote start, leather seats, heads-up display, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2019 X5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel, audio controls. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.